GCSE Physics. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about electrical safety. Electrical safety. There are many ways to stay safe when using electrical devices. Here are a few. Do not put metal objects into plug sockets or devices. For example, do not put a screwdriver into a socket or a knife into a toaster to get that crumpet without unplugging it first. Do not mix water and electricity. Do not go near power lines, generators, transformers or substations. Do not plug too many devices into one socket. Throw away or fix damaged devices. A 3-pin plug is used in the UK. Each pin is connected to wire that has its own name and color. The earth wire is green and yellow, the neutral wire is blue, the live wire is brown. A 3-pin plug also contains a fuse. The neutral wire is the return path to the power station. This wire completes the circuit. It should have a voltage of 0 volts. The earth wire connects the metal parts of the device to a metal tube that is pushed into the ground. It grounds the device in case of a fault. It should have a voltage of 0 volts. The live wire is the wire that connects the appliance to the generators at the power station. It should have a voltage of 230 volts. A fuse is a safety device. It is a thin piece of wire that melts if too much current passes through it and creates a break in the circuit. There are fuses of different sizes. For example, you might get a 3-amp fuse. The cable grip is a device which holds the cable in place to stop wires from being pulled out of the plug and being touched accidentally. The fuse is a glass tube with a thin piece of wire inside. The wire melts if too much current flows. Fuses have different ratings and they stop appliances from overheating and help to prevent fires. Fuses have different ratings. These are normally written on the fuse. The fuse should be slightly higher than the maximum current of the device. To find the current, the power rating can be divided by 230, the mains voltage. The potential difference between the live and the neutral wires is 230 volts. The potential difference between the live and the earth wire is 230 volts. The potential difference between the neutral and earth wire should be 0 volts. A circuit breaker acts much like a fuse, as it is designed to cause a gap in the circuit to prevent the current from flowing. Unlike the fuse, it can be reset rather than needing to be replaced.